Assalamu alaikum kids. Here are some of the vegetables mentioned in Qur'an Majid.
Hello, I am onion. I am mentioned in the Quran.
People once asked for me instead of better blessings.
So we should always be thankful to Allah for what He gives us.
Hello, I am garlic. I am also mentioned in the Quran.
Allah has placed benefits in every food. I help give strength and keep the body healthy.
Hello, I am cucumber. I am mentioned among the foods in the Quran. I am fresh and cooling. Allah has created food to keep us healthy and happy. Hello, I am lentils. I am small but full of goodness. Allah has placed nourishment even in simple foods.
Hello, I am ginger. In the Quran, I am mentioned as a drink in paradise.
I bring warmth and healing. Allah's rewards in Jannah are beautiful and special.
Hello, I am Bottle Gourd. Allah made a plant like me grow to protect Prophet Yunus. I remind you that Allah always cares and protects His creation.